If you think 3D printing is cool, then bioprinting is even more remarkable. Instead of using plastic, bioprinting uses living cells and biomaterials to build tissues that can behave like parts of the human body. For decades, scientists have used cell line models for biomedical research. They're cheap, accessible, and easy to use. However, single cells can't capture the intricacies of the human body. So, over the years, new techniques have emerged to increase the complexity of cellular models. Microfluidic chips are one such method, devices with tiny pumps that mimic vascular flow. In a paper by Shaworski et al., scientists aim to improve the system by using more biologically relevant materials like collagen, which can be found in your connective tissues and blood vessels. To do this, they designed a three-headed machine that can simultaneously lay down cells and other biomaterials, kind of like how you would lay frosting on cakes. However, without blood vessels to supply oxygen, lab-grown tissues will quickly develop dead necrotic zones in the center. The solution is to use a pump system that can circulate nutrients and growth factors throughout the chip. The result is that cell growth and migration were observed in areas which initially lacked cells. Additionally, after adding a growth factor that promotes blood vessel formation, scientists noticed vessel-like structures actually appearing on the chip, but we still don't know if they can actually function like real blood vessels. What makes this work stand out is how closely it mimics real tissue. The researchers showed that fluid flowed smoothly through these tiny channels while nutrients diffused out into surrounding collagen. This robust system also allowed them to create complex 3D structures, including a pancreas-like tissue that could actually release insulin in response to increased glucose levels. Although bioprinting is still in its early stages of development, it's a rapidly advancing technology that's already being used to model diseases in biomedical research. As the science improves, scientists will be able to produce more realistic models. But the possibilities of bioprinting go so much further than research. With organ transplant waitlists growing longer every year, bioprinting may soon offer a powerful solution allowing the accurate recreation of entire organs to save lives.